The canvas I'll be doing the reverse pour on measures 8 inches by 8 inches. These are the paintings that I'll be using for my pouring. I have the Titanium White by Arteza, Indian Yellow by Arteza, Orange Red by Arteza, Iridescent Green Blue, that's by Pebeo, a Brilliant Yellow Green by Liquitex, and Violet by Arteza. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please subscribe. I've done other videos and I'll be doing many more. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. I applied a thin coat, thin base coat of titanium white, which is from Arteza. And I'll begin with Indian Yellow, which is also by Arteza. And this color is the Orange Red by Arteza. Adds a little bit more white to it, even though I have a base coat of white. This color is Iridescent Green Blue, and that's by Pebeo. And this color is Violet, and that's also by Arteza. And this is that iridescent green blue I used in here. And this color is Brilliant Yellow Green by Liquitex. And this color is Phthalo Green, blue shade, and it's by Golden. And this is Phthalo Blue, green shade, also by Golden. I'm going to moisten the napkin with water, and I'm just going to spritz it. want to let it sit a little bit. That looks pretty nice. And then I'll go ahead and see what it looks like after it's set for a while and the paint quits moving. This is what my finished pouring looks like. I really like it. I just love the way those colors look. They all go well together. There's no mud. So I'm really happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you might want to give me a subscription. Subscribe to my videos, because I will be doing several more, and I have done some already. So I appreciate you watching, and I thank you very much.